Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Are you using manually inventory data cleaning every day? In this video, I will show you how to remove the duplicate value and how to identify the inventory products that need to be reordered quantity without using formulas, VBA and macros using Power Query. So let's get the start video. I have a inventory file which are having columns like product ID, product name, quantity in stock, reorder point, supplier, lead time, storage location and unit cost. There are line item is 38 line items which are having some duplicates value in this file. So we have to clean this data and update the status, create the status for inventory identified products and the unit value products to the decision making for the inventory manager. So clean this data. Right click on the any cells. If you are using the Microsoft 365, you can click on the right click and get data from table range. In this scenario, my Excel is old version. So now click on the data tab and click on the from table. My table has header. Now Power Query editor is open. This is the table name. Now firstly put in the table name, replace the table name inventory status. Quantity in stock should be in numbers. Reorder quantity is number, supplier and unit cost is the decimal value. Now the product ID is multiple ID. Select on the product ID and remove duplicate rows. Remove duplicates row. If you are using any steps, click on the rename button and remove for identification what we did product ID. So guys, I have removed the duplicate value in the product ID in the inventory working file. Now I have to create a conditional column to identify the quantity in stocks and reorder quantity to the next order and identify the unit cost value which is high or which is normal. So click on the add column, click on the conditional column. Now put the name of the column inventory status. Now select the column is if quantity in stocks less than reorder point, then result is reorder stocks, otherwise stock available. Okay, now second conditional column is unit cost status. If unit cost greater than or equal to 150, then result is high value, otherwise normal value. Click then OK. Now both columns have been created in this Power Query editor and automatically update the status when update the items add in the inventory working file. So how to do that? Click on the home tab button, close and load button. Now go back to the inventory sheet. Total line item is 38. Now automatic worksheet is 29. So remove the duplicate value and the status available in stock reorder or stock available and unit cost is high value unit cost. If any line item add in the inventory workbook, so how to update the automatic worksheet? That's total 3 value insert in below this table and the quantity is 130. Randomly I put it this and 225 and the unit cost is 146, 133 and 150. Here is this product ID is the same, but if I click on the this product ID, change this product ID 46, 47 and 32. Now click on the refresh button. Here you can see that before at the line item in the inventory file and automatic worksheet available line item is 29. Now appear in 32 line items and the status will be status have been updated. If you check this product ID in the automatic inventory work file and check the status, stock is available normal value, stock is available high value. So guys, this is the automatic worksheet for the inventory quantity identify. So guys, here is the my file is ready which is identify the automatic status of the inventory, stock available or reorder stocks and unit cost status. So I can identify the all the quantity in stock every month or every week. Now create the pivot table for this working file. Here is the product name and the unit cost, and the slicer is available, inventory status and unit cost. Now my file is ready, completely ready. Unit cost and product name and the unit value. If you if you want to check the reorder stock, click on the slicer button, reorder stocks, and identify the laptop, identify the stock quantity, value stocks, and highest unit cost value. So guys, this automatic sheet can save the hours every week. If you are using the working with the inventory, GST or ERP data, Power Query can save hours every week. And my dear friends, if you like this video and useful, please subscribe my channel for more tutorial of Excel and Power Query automation. I create the Power Query Excel tutorials every week. So guys, please share with your friends and colleagues to help the automatic worksheet. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Jai Hind.